Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I invite everyone to come in and listen. I am a former IRS agent. I worked 10 years at the Internal Revenue Service. I've been in private practice for 41 years. You can go to my YouTube channel to find out about me. I've been on all the major news stations. Just go to 777irs.com and go ahead and learn about me. You know, when I worked at IRS, I was a revenue officer. I used to accept and deny offers and compromise. Yes, with the pen, not this one. It used to say U.S. government on it. I used to accept and deny offers and compromise. So if you want to know how to get your offer and compromise accepted, there's two things that you should know. If you don't owe a lot of money, you can go ahead and try to do this by yourself. IRS makes offers very difficult. Matter of fact, I'm writing a book. It should be out, I don't know, in the next maybe 3 months, depending on the publisher, on how to get your offer and compromise accepted for cheap. That's not that title, but it's close to it. But I know my way around the offer and compromise. And I preach this over and over and over. It's all about knowing the formula. The formula drives the acceptance. It's not a fuzzy thought. It's not what you've been through in your life. That has nothing to do with it. It's all about your current financial statement. IRS must treat everybody the same way. Everybody. So how do they treat everyone, in fact, the same way? They do so by having a set of standards that everyone uses. If you hear anything other than what I'm telling you, they're full of crap, and most people on YouTube are. They're telling you, well, we did this on this case, and we did this. I was the IRS. I used to accept them and deny them. I used to look at other people's work. You have to know the formula, and the formula comprises of two simple things. What is the value of your assets, and what is the value of your income and your necessary living expenses? They're going to add those two numbers together, and poof, there goes your offer amount. You can lower that formula by knowing how to work within that framework to go ahead and do that. And that's kind of for me to know. That's why we're really good at what we do. But remember, do not even try to file your own offer and compromise unless you know what the IRS National Standard is. Basically, what that means is IRS is only going to accept their expenses for food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments, car expenses, and some medical, not all medical. But anyway, just letting you know, it's not what you think. If you're putting your numbers in the offer, you better know IRS is going to put the Department of Labor numbers in for yours instead, and it changes the outcome. If you think you got a shot for an offer and compromise and you have a debt over $50,000, you're welcome to call me. Happy to take a look at it. I answer my own phone, so you don't have to go through this. You're welcome to text or email me. Thank you so much for listening. If you're going to do this by yourself, I wish you the best of luck. Please give me a subscription if you would, a share, a like. If there's a subject you want me to talk on, leave it in the comment section. I try to get to them when I can. I really do. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate your ear today. Don't forget the subscription.